Welcome back. Today on Blunt on Business, we just want to be blunt on business. There are enough podcasts out there for you to listen to. You need help making more money in your business. Last week, we talked about your value proposition and why it's so integral to everything you do as far as your sales, as far as your marketing. I don't want to belabor the point, so let's not. What we want to do instead is really look at how are you using it. If you're watching this live on YouTube, it's Wednesday, it's lunchtime, you're at your desk. Jump in the comments, want to hear any questions you have. But if you're watching this on Spotify, Apple Music, or anywhere else, jump in the comments. Really important that we hear what challenges you're having with your messaging. Are you using your value proposition? And what help do you need to use it better? So today, we want to talk about a couple keys in crafting your inbound marketing, your email scripts, and your phone scripts. Okay? Let's go. One, inbound marketing. Inbound marketing is everything you post, every blog, every white paper, all these things that let the world know what you're great at and just how great you are. It's important. For the B2B business, it feels like a waste of time because you're not seeing instant results. Well, you're no longer a consumer, okay? You're not looking for instant results, okay? What you're looking for is the long-term impact that developing a message, putting it out there, and staying on message is going to bring you in long-term value. If you don't understand this, there's a great post by Curio Muse on their social media about the importance of establishing and sticking to your core brand message. I suggest you watch it. Amanda Sabria is brilliant. As for our purposes here today, inbound marketing, what value do you deliver? Value proposition again. There it is again. Watch last week's podcast. Value proposition. What value do you deliver to the people you know to be your ideal client? Right? That's who your messaging is speaking to. That's who all your messaging is speaking to. If you look at our messaging, if you look at our social media, you'll notice a lot of the same, but different, but the same. It feels repetitive sometimes to me. It's a little frustrating sometimes to me because what? I'm all about results, results, right? But it's a game that requires months after month after month of consistency and letting the world know that I am the leading solution to taking over sales so you can focus on scaling your business is not a burden because I love helping. You hear me? What do you love helping with? What's the reason behind you starting your business? Why should anyone give a damn about what you have to say? There. Those nuggets right there are the keys to your entire inbound marketing strategy. You need to frequently, daily, and consistently let the world know exactly who you help and how you help them. What are they going through? How are you the solution? Huh? You fall off your bike, you scrape your knee. Mom comes out with what? Witch hazel and neosporin and a band-aid. Are you the witch hazel? Are you the neosporin? Are you the band-aid? Let them know who you are, why you exist, why you give a damn, and why they should give a damn about what you're offering. Why should they listen? Why should they like, subscribe? Why should they tell 3 friends? Be clear on this. Drive this home, because it's everything. It's really everything. So number 1 is right there, inbound marketing. Number 2, email scripts. Before I'm picking up a phone, I'm sending an email. When I write an email script, I care about 2 things. First, the subject line. Your email will be one of 50 that they receive that day. 49 are getting deleted. 1 will get opened. How will you be that one? You need to, in less than 7 words, clearly communicate why they specifically need to open your email. That's it. No, there's no room for BS. There's no room for fluff. There's also no room for jargon. Do not jargon them. They need to feel what you have to say before they open your email. That is the subject line. Make them feel it. Speak immediately and directly to the pain you're the solution to. Done, period, end of story. Okay? Every email after that isn't you begging for some opportunity. It's you seeking an opportunity to help. They're going to feel this if you craft that email right. If you can't craft that email right, you need to call me. Get in my inbox, get in my DMs, jump in the comments if you're not shy. Like, if you need help, here's help. Let's go. Let's talk. Because it's so important that the value you bring to the marketplace reaches the marketplace. Okay? So that's email. Very short, very sweet, very concise. I hope that was clear. And if you have ever tried marketing, if you have ever tried sales, I'm quite sure that's compelling as hell. Let's go. They've responded to the email. Now I know that a phone call won't get blocked because there's some curiosity, there's some interest, there's some hot rod driving by outside. Number 3, when you make that phone call, it's because there's been some level of engagement. Okay? Cold emails are more effective than cold calls. I can do both, but tactically, I need to be smart about time I spend on my clients' budgets trying to drive results, what's going to work, what's not going to work, what's going to be more successful, because conversion is all anybody that ever talks to me cares about. If you just want your website or your marketing or your outreach to look and feel sexy, you can call anybody that went to college or marketing. It's going to look and feel good. Yay! It's not going to convert. 26 years, boots on the ground. I'm going to convert. Coffee break. So, when you pick up that phone, hey, look, got your email. Thanks for responding. Let's take 5 minutes right now because I'm not trying to waste time. In those 5 minutes, all you have is 2 ears. Only thing coming out of your mouth during the initial phone call are open-ended questions to understand what the need is, why they engaged in the first place, what's the need, what triggered them to say, Yo, man, thanks for your email. We are kind of dealing with this. This has been a bit of a problem. Tell me about this problem. I'm here to help. Use me. Let's go. Okay? If you're sincere, they'll feel it. If your posture is right, they'll feel it. I used to make my sales reps back in my mortgage days keep a mirror at their desk right next to the phone and a picture of their dream house or their dream car. Now you know that picture tells you why you are getting all these no's and you're waiting for those yeses to close. And that mirror lets you know, am I smiling? Is positive energy coming through my voice? Whether I had an argument with my spouse this morning, whether the dog ate the kids' homework and everybody's mad at me because I bought the dog. Well, I bought the dog for the kid. Get off my back. Listen, you want to make sure that you are using these psychological keys to self-manage as you exercise the self-discipline to go through your calls. When do you make that phone call? When they respond. If you're doing an email campaign, you get a positive response. Pause on the email campaign, pick up the phone. Why? It's a warm lead. It will be warm for 1 hour. Did you get that? The key to phone calls. If you have warm leads coming in, whether it's through an email campaign, whether it's through social media, the minute a prospect shows some warmth, you want to engage, you want to initiate engagement, and you want to begin the discovery process, because now is all that exists. Oh, I'll get to it in the time block I have allotted. They'll be doing something else. They responded now. You have 60 minutes. Tick friggin' tock. Go, go, go. Focus on helping them. Focus on helping them. Nothing else matters. So when I pick up that phone, what did I say? I got 2 ears. Nice size ears. They work really well. After I shower, I use a Q-tip. I get the freaking wax out, because what they have to say is important. When I'm listening, I'm not listening. I'm actively listening. When I hear something, if I think I understand it, I speak. If I understand you right, X. Let them correct you, because it's better to be wrong during the discovery call than when you write the friggin' proposal. Got me? Good. Listen, short, sweet, trying to keep these under 15 minutes. We're at 13 and a half. Rich Laster with GrowExpand.com. Blunt on Business is all about just giving you what you need to make more money in your business. If you need help with it, well, you know to call me. GrowExpand.com. I appreciate our time together. Whether you're listening to this, watching this on Spotify, Apple Music, whether you're watching this at noon live on YouTube, where I'm right there with you and you can ask questions and actually get answers, whatever, man. I want you more engaged. I want to help you grow your business, because America, more than ever, right now, needs you to make more money. We need you to grow, to scale, so you can create jobs. You are the solution to the economy. I want to help you become that. Now, we're going to end with a word from our sponsor.
A bit about our company. We produce strategies and deploy experts to grow your business revenue. The success of our clients is a direct result of the 25+ years of sales and marketing experience of our founder, Rich Laster. We take the guesswork out of increasing your revenue. Our reputation is built on results, not another roll of the dice with your marketing budget. Visit GrowExpand.com to learn how.